Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.
Indian Army has renovated the cafeteria at Kaman Post and has also installed a majestic 60 feet flagpole on which the national flag flutters magnificently. Kaman Post is one of the major attractions of visitors, especially for motivational tours of school and college-going children. The post installs a huge sense of pride, patriotism, and also serves as a great reminder of sacrifices made by our forefathers. The motive behind renovating the cafeteria, which is named Cafe Freedom, is to provide facilities to the visitors who are always keen to visit this place. On the occasion, families of martyred soldiers were presented with gifts. Besides, some senior citizens and PRIs were also part of the function.
जब दोनों मुल्कों ने पहल की और कोशिश की कि आपस के जो हमारे रिलेशन जो हैं ये ठीक होने चाहिए कि आखिर हम एक ही घर के एक ही बाप के हैं, तो इस तरह से इसकी शुरुआत हो गई और लोगों का आना जाना शुरू हो गया। उस तरह से काफी जो दूरियां थी, जो तलखियां थी, जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी दोनों मुल्कों के दरमियान में, वो खत्म हो गई। उनके दिल में किसी किस्म का कोई खदशा ना रहे। फौज, हमें आज तक फौज से मुतल्लिक कोई खदशा था न रहेगा, क्योंकि फौज के साथ, इंडियन आर्मी के साथ हमारे बड़े कॉर्डियल रिलेशंस रहे हैं।
Locals hailed the efforts of the army for this initiative and wished more people who intend to visit this place would get all the facilities here. They wanted more confidence-building measures to be taken by both governments for lasting peace in this region. Talking to media, an army officer said that the step has been taken to facilitate visitors, especially children, to this place.
Innovated by Indian Army for the Awam of Jammu and Kashmir, who proudly visits the command post. After having the motivational tour at command post and selfie at the Kaman Aman Setu bridge, the visitors can come here and relax and have beverages and snacks. Also, they can take away with them to their home several souvenirs which are there at the cafeteria itself. The 60 feet high pole on which the national flag flutters magnificently adds to the serenity of the surroundings, and I am sure all the visitors who are visiting the command post will take back home their unique and motivational memories from this place. Thank you and Jai Hind.